Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best wine accessory sets is probably one of the most essential collections for any wine enthusiast, transforming your wine drinking experience from ordinary to extraordinary with a curated selection of tools designed to enhance every step of the process, from uncorking to preserving your favorite vintages, ensuring that each bottle is opened with ease and enjoyed to its fullest potential, making it a perfect gift for yourself or the wine lover in your life. Number 5. TenTen Labs Wine Aerator and Pourer, 2-pack. Experience the full flavor and aroma of your wine immediately. Our innovative device uses the Bernoulli effect to perfectly aerate your wine, eliminating the need for decanting. Get more for your money with this double pack. It's compact and perfect for any occasion, making it an ideal gift for any wine lover. The specially designed spout ensures a smooth pour every time, without any mess. Its secure silicone base fits snugly into any bottle, preventing leaks. No matter the bottle, our aerator is designed to fit perfectly. The tapered rubber base creates a tight seal for a consistent experience. Crafted with premium, professional-grade materials, this aerator is as beautiful as it is functional. It's designed for durability and years of enjoyment. Join over 300,000 satisfied customers who adore their TenTen Labs Aerator Pourer. Discover why it's a favorite for wine enthusiasts everywhere. What we like. This set is perfect for enhancing your wine experience immediately. It comes with 2 aerators, offering great value and convenience for sharing. If you enjoy your wine with its full flavor and aroma without waiting, this is the choice for you. What people say. The aerator works well and improves the taste of the wine. The foil cutter is sharp and cuts cleanly. The stopper seals the bottle tightly and prevents spills. Number 4. OTOTO Vino Spooky Bat Opener. Introducing Vino, the bat. This unique opener is designed to make opening your wine and beer bottles a breeze. It's the perfect companion for any wine lover. With its durable wings and sharp fangs, it effortlessly opens corks and bottle caps. It's a functional and fun addition to your kitchen gadgets. Make your drinking sessions more exciting with this versatile opener. It's perfect for creating fun cocktails and wine mixes, adding a touch of magic to every pour. Crafted from high-quality silicone and metal, it's BPA-free and rust-resistant. Enjoy your favorite drinks with a tool that's both safe and stylish. OTOTO is dedicated to bringing fun and magic into your home. Our products transform everyday chores into enjoyable experiences with quirky and functional designs. Looking for a unique gift? This bat opener is a spooktacular choice for housewarmings or any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with a gift they'll adore. What we like. This fun and functional opener is a conversation starter. Its unique design makes it a great gift for those who appreciate quirky kitchen gadgets. If you're looking for a corkscrew that's both effective and adds a touch of personality to your bar, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The aerator is a game changer. It really opens up the flavor of the wine. The stopper seals tightly and keeps the wine fresh for days. The foil cutter is sharp and removes the foil cleanly with a simple twist. Number 3. COKUNST Electric Wine Opener Set. Introducing the COKUNST Electric Wine Opener Set, your all-in-one solution for wine enjoyment. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to uncork, pour, and preserve your favorite wines. Keep your kitchen tidy with the included elegant stand. It neatly stores all the accessories, saving space and adding a decorative touch to your home. Experience the convenience of cordless operation. Powered by AA batteries, it removes corks smoothly and quickly, allowing you to enjoy your wine without hassle. Opening wine is as easy as 1, 2, 3, peel, pop, and push. The aerator ensures a perfect pour every time, while the vacuum stoppers keep your wine fresh for longer. With its sleek design and comfortable grip, this opener is both stylish and portable. It's the perfect companion for parties, gatherings, or a quiet night in. Looking for the perfect gift? This multifunctional wine accessory set is a thoughtful and practical choice for any wine enthusiast. What we like. This electric opener set offers ultimate convenience for wine lovers. It includes all the essential accessories to open, aerate, and preserve your wine. If you frequently open wine bottles and want a hassle-free experience, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. The aerator significantly improves the wine's flavor and aroma. The stopper creates an airtight seal, preserving the wine's freshness. The foil cutter is sharp and removes foil cleanly with a simple twist. Number 2. Home Hero Bartender Kit, 22-piece cocktail set. Elevate your gatherings with this elegant bartender kit. It includes all the accessories you need to craft delightful cocktails, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. This beautifully crafted wooden stand not only organizes your bar tools but also enhances your home bar decor. Its sleek design complements any bar cart accessories. Combining sleek black and silver, this cocktail kit makes a stylish statement. Crafted with premium stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting use for all your mixing needs. Mix classic and modern drinks with ease using the helpful recipe book. It features 10 delicious cocktail recipes to enhance your drink-making skills. Packaged in a gift-ready box, this bartender kit is an ideal present for cocktail lovers. Celebrate any festive occasion by turning any gathering into a memorable event. What we like. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to become a home mixologist. The elegant stand keeps your tools organized and stylish. If you're passionate about crafting cocktails and want a complete, high-quality bar tool collection, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The aerator significantly improves the taste and aroma of the wine. The electric corkscrew opens bottles effortlessly with the touch of a button. The set includes a foil cutter, stopper, and pourer, making it a complete package for wine lovers. Number 1. El Corko Sombrero Wine Stopper by Monkey Business. Tired of unfinished wine going to waste? This simple gadget is here to save the day. It seals your bottle, keeping your wine fresh for the next time you want to enjoy it. Enjoy peace of mind with this leak-proof silicone stopper. It creates an airtight seal, preventing any spills or loss of aroma. Plus, it's food-grade, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe for your convenience. Don't limit its use to just wine. This versatile stopper is perfect for other spirits, non-alcoholic drinks, or even general glass bottles. Add a touch of fun to any occasion. We believe kitchen gadgets should be both fun and functional. This unique design not only adds a playful touch to your kitchen but also serves as a practical tool. Looking for a charming gift? This stopper is ideal for any wine lover or anyone who appreciates a touch of whimsy. It's a thoughtful present that's sure to bring a smile. Why settle for boring when you can have fun? This sombrero-shaped stopper adds a festive flair to your bottles, making them stand out in the fridge or on a shelf. What we like. This stopper adds a touch of whimsy to your wine bottles. It ensures a leak-proof seal, keeping your wine fresh. If you appreciate functional gadgets with a playful design and want to keep your unfinished wine perfectly sealed, this is a delightful pick. What people say. This wine opener is very easy to use and the foil cutter works great. The aerator really makes a difference in the taste of the wine. The stoppers create a tight seal and keep the wine fresh for days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.